Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I am discussing about the optical fibers and wireless communication in a full 6G and behind that. I am Josika from Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, and I am discussing now about I am starting with the introduction. Introduction to the optical fibers. Optical fiber is a thin and flexible standard made for the glass or the plastic that transmits a data light signals using the principles of the total internal reflection. It consists of a core. A core is a light carrying region and cladding is a refraction light back into the core. And it is a protective buffer coating. There are the two main types. They are the single mode and the multi mode. Single mode is used for the long distance and multi mode used for the shortest distance. Optical fiber is widely used in the telecommunication. It is a medical imaging and industrial sensors due to the high bandwidth and a low signal loss and immunity to the electromagnetic references. Then evolution of the optical fiber. It is from a first generation to the fifth generation. The main difference will be a speed, and it will be in the and the storage. In analog in a first generation it will be analog wise. In a fifth generation it is a high speed internet and IoT transport support. In the current stage now we are in the fifth generation. It is being widely adapted to providing the enhanced mobile bandwidth. It is a massive IoT and low communications. The next will be a stage evolution stages from the first generation to the fifth generation. It is from the first generation in the 1980s. It is analog voice communication with a low data security and the limited coverage up to 2.5 kbs. In the second generation, it will be 2090s. It is a digital voice transmission introducing the SMSs and a basic data services. It is a data speed reached up to a 64 kbs. From 2.5 kbs to 64 kbs, it will be reached. The third generation will be Earth. It is a 2000s. It is a mobile internet and a multimedia services being popular speeds. Improved, it will be a 2 megabits per second, enabling the callings and video calls also. In a fourth generation, it will be in a 2010s. It is a high-speed board bandwidth internet and it is supporting the HD streamings and the faster downloads. It is a speed of the 100 megabits per second. In a fifth generation will be we are in a fifth generation and present generation will be fifth generation. It will be to 2020s. It is a ultra fast internet with the speeds up to a 10 gigabytes per second. Gigabytes per second with the low latency and support for the IT, IoT and autonomous systems. The next will be what is sixth generation. We are in a fifth generation. Next will be a sixth generation we are going to. In a 2030, say the sixth generation will be in available. It's the sixth generation for sixth generation standards for the sixth generation wireless technology is accepted to launch around the 2030s. I will offer the ultra high speed connectivity. It is a extreme low latency and advanced AI driven services. It is aimed to supporting the advanced use cases like immersive extended reality and real-time holography, and it is a connected robotics. The next will be a major characteristics of the 6G. The 6G connecting it will be a data speed. I initially thought that the speed will be a various difference between the first generation to the fifth generation. A data speeds it up to a first terabits. It is a 1 terabit per second latency. Less than a 1 milliseconds network coverage. A global, including the remote and the deep sea regions through the satellite integration. It is a AI integrations and intelligent network management for the optimization of performance. It is a spectral efficiency and efficient use of the higher frequency bands like terahertz. Next will be underlying the technologies driven in the sixth generation. Now it is a terahertz communication. First will be it will be a utilizes a frequency bands above the 100 gigahertz per ultra high speed data rates. It is artificial intelligence and machine learning enhances the network optimization and autonomous decision making. Quantum communications improves the encryption and the data security and configurable intelligence surfaces enhances the signal strength and reduces the interface. It provides end-to-end encryption between the two servers and user and the server, and it will provide a more data security in the sixth generation. And next will be future applications provided by the sixth generation. That will be it is a holographic communication. In a present, it will be a therapeutic communication. It will be holographic telecommunication. It is a real-time 3D holographic calls and meetings extended reality. It is a shameless integration of the AR, VR, and MR in a various fields like education, gaming, autonomous systems. It is AI, drones, robots, and the self-driving cars communicating in the real time and digital twins. It is a real-time simulation of the physical objects or the systems for the predictive management. Then it will be a road to the sixth generation. Next will be a road to the seventh generation and the future generations also. It will be seventh generation and behind. It is an enhanced AI integration. It is a quantum communications and a full interconnectivity of the physical and the virtual worlds. It is a connectivity for the trillions of devices and the shameless integration of our networks. It is a energy efficiency, focus on the sustainable communication networks and the low power devices. The next will be challenges developing in a 6G. There are so many problems facing in the 6G. It will be already in a research. It is efficiently managing the higher frequency bands, technical barriers. It is developing the reliable. It is a terahertz in the communication systems and technology security and the privacy concerns, ensuring the data protection with the high-speed communication, environmental impacts, balancing the network growth with the sustainability. Then it will be worldwide efforts to shape the sixth generation. It is a research and development, government and industry investments in the countries like USA, China, South Korea, Japan, international collaborations innovates like ITU and 3GPP to set standards and regulations, test beds and prototypes. It is universities and tech companies like developing the early sixth generations. Next will be a transformative effective of a sixth generation. It will be industrial, new industries and job opportunities. It is a healthcare advancements. It is a remote surgeries and a real-time health monitoring securities. It is improved the infrastructure, traffic management, and energy efficiency. Education and entertainment enhance the learning experience and the next level learning. And next will be the is not the last least. It is the last but not least. Then conclusion. In the conclusion, we can see all what we have covered in previously. In the sixth generation, behind will be a revolutionize how we interact with the technologies will be enable the futurist applications and enhance the qualities of the life. Ongoing research and collaboration are essential for overcoming the challenges. The a journey for the sixth generation to the future wireless generations will be shaped to the hyper-connected world. Please like, share, and subscribe to channel. Thank you, friends. Bye.